Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms. If y'all are new, if you're already subscribed and already know who I am, thank you for coming back. I have got a little hotel hack today. And Lord bless my hat hair don't care day, okay? I've just been busy in here cleaning today. So I got a little hotel hack today. I got thirsty. I ran out of tea. So I'm going to make me some more, and I'm going to show you how I do it using the coffee maker. I'm going to use our coffee maker because we travel with our coffee maker. But if your hotel has a coffee maker in it, this will be easy for y'all to do. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And let me turn you around here. Let's see. Okay, y'all excuse me, I'm doing computer work here, videos, everything. So when we first got here, I did have to go purchase some tea. So I would have some for that night. So after I got done drinking all of this, I went and washed this out real good, and I'm reusing it because this is a very thick bottle. It's not flimsy. It's very high quality plastic. So that's why I kept this one, because I'm going to reuse this to just keep making tea. So I have already got my tea bags in the bottom of here. If you'll see, I've already got my tea bags in the bottom, and I have got my sugar in there. I use stevia, okay? So that's not gobs of bad sugar. I use stevia, okay? So what I'm going to do is use your hotel coffee maker. Just run some hot water. We're going to do the highest one. Start running you some hot water. I got my tank full. If you're using the little hotel coffee pot, just run as much hot water or cups of water as it will let you. Pour it into here. I'm going to keep filling this cup up until I get this all the way full. And I'll bring you back and let you see what it looks like, show you what to do next. Alright, this is the next step. I've already got about 2 of those cups poured into here. Before you get it all the way full, only get it to about right here with the hot water and just start shaking it to melt your sugar. See, it's already melted my sugar because the water's hot. So just give it a shake to melt your sugar. Be careful, don't let it splash on you, because this is going to be hot, okay? But it's already melted my sugar. So I'm going to keep filling this up, and I'll bring you right back. Alright, here we go. That's about as full as I'm going to get it right now. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to set it over to the side. Let me find my lid. Here we go. I'm going to set it over to the side. I'm going to wait till it cools off, because the closer it gets up here, it's really hot. But I leave the tea bags in here because what I'm going to see them floating to the top. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to set it up here out of my way, and I'm going to let it steep to get all the rich flavors out of those tea bags. And what I do is, even after it's cooled off, I will put the lid on, and I will give it a shake. Now this is when it's cooled, y'all, not when it's hot, okay? Or you'll blow your lid off, okay? So don't even put your lid on it right now until it cools down, okay? Because this thing will start puffing up because it's so hot. So I'm just going to set it up there, let it cool down. I'll put my lid on the top, give it a good shake, mix up all the tea and the sugar. I leave the tea bags in there because when I pour this into my cup, the tea bags don't come out. So, and then I've got tea for the next couple of days. It's kind of like my coffee, my sweet tea. It keeps me from like scratching. Okay. Anyway, that's how I do our tea. I have used a hotel coffee pot before we started traveling with our coffee pot. Y'all, college kids, this is not just for going on vacations and stuff and traveling. This is like college dorm rooms. Let me have a seat here. Oh, I got to sit down. I've been working all morning. I got some more things I want to tell y'all, and I want to show y'all. I'm so excited. Okay, college dorm room cooking, okay? look up microwave cooking. I have a series of videos down below. If you click on the videos tab, it'll show, my line of videos, my playlist, and you can switch it from oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Anyway, I've got videos on there of hotel cooking. And I think I fixed one thing in the microwave. But if you will research and look up videos for hotel cooking, motel cooking, dorm room cooking, oh, y'all, so many things you can do in the microwave, and hot water, okay? People will use their coffee pots and run hot water through it and make oatmeal, macaroni and cheese, pastas, things like that. Saves money on your grocery shopping. Package of ramen noodles and some water. You got, a little 30-cent meal, okay? 37 cents, how much ever it costs, okay? So, microwave cooking, y'all. I have fixed macaroni and cheese in the microwave, a pasta salad in the microwave. It's on one of my videos. I've done things even at home to do things in the microwave just to make it simpler, okay? Let's see. Your coffee pot running hot water through oatmeal, stuff like that. You can pour the hot water through, put your noodles in a bowl, just let them sit for a few minutes, and then make you some macaroni and cheese. But y'all, look it up, okay? Microwave cooking, dorm room cooking, things like that. It's microwave. Use your microwave, y'all, too. Everything you got in your kitchen, put it to use, okay? It's not just for at-home purposes, heating up, a meal or something, or a burrito, okay? You can actually cook things in the microwave. When they first started making microwaves, they actually came out with cookbooks for microwaves. I have some at home, and I found a bunch on Amazon. Microwave cooking cookbooks, okay? They're on there. I bought a bunch of books used. Anytime I recommend books, y'all, for y'all to check out, you don't have to buy them new. Check out sellers that are John Deere tractor. Check out sellers who are selling used books, because a lot of times they come from thrift stores. And I have gotten a lot of books off of Amazon for 99 cents, y'all. And books that cost like $30, I've got for 99 cents, $4.99, stuff like that. Yeah. Check them out. But anyway, I got to show y'all this. Let me see. What else was I going to show y'all while I had you on here? Okay, I can't think right now. I'm having one of those days, y'all. My mind is going 90 to nothing, and I've got to slow down. I'm like, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I sound like a turkey. My husband's like, one subject at a time, okay? Because I really can't keep up. So, yeah, I'm going to have to slow my brain down just a little bit. But I want to show y'all this. And I put it on Facebook this morning. I don't know if y'all remember these, but y'all, you teenage girls in the 80s. Let me see if I can get them out here where you can see them. Hold on. I ain't going to let you see it yet. Let me get the lid off. Just hold on a minute. I don't know if y'all remember these or not. I'm going to try to hold them up. You teenage girls in the 80s. These things were the rage. My camera keeps trying to go black on me. These things were the rage. Are you ready? They're coming back. Are you ready? Yes and amen. It's those mood lipsticks, y'all. I was so excited. I found them yesterday at a Sally's. I hadn't put it on yet because I hadn't taken a shower yet. Okay, but I will after I get done taking a shower. These things were the rage in school, y'all. Of course, back then, they didn't have the red ones or the pink ones. They just had the green ones. And we walked around putting this green lipstick on our lips, and everybody's like, no, just watch. Those mood lipsticks, y'all. I was in love with them. And y'all, that stuff stayed on. That lipstick wasn't coming off. And I love a lipstick that doesn't come off. So this is right up my alley. And I'm so glad they brought them back. So there you go. I found them yesterday. Sally's Beauty Supply. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, now, oh yeah, this is for the ladies that I have had people asking me that has seen my videos, have been asking me about my makeup routine, because they're like, you just have this glow. And I didn't notice it, y'all. I don't notice myself. And I went back and I watched some of my videos and I'm like, I am glowing. And they're like, you just have this natural glow. Let me tell you where that natural glow is coming from right now. Mother Nature. Okay? When I get to heaven, I swear I'm going to find Eve and say, oh, girl, come here. Let's have a little chat. Okay? Menopause, these hot flashes. Y'all see my cheeks now? I ain't got to wear no blush. I'm just naturally flushed. Hot flashes will do that to you. Menopause will do that to you, okay? So I'm like, girl, I ain't got no makeup routine. If I did a makeup tutorial, y'all, it wouldn't last but like 2 minutes versus what I used to be like in high school. When I was in high school, back in the 80s, y'all, we were all about that hair. Aquanet didn't have nothing on us, y'all. The winds didn't have nothing on our Aquanet hair, let me tell you. And we had that little flare out here, y'all. You remember that? And we saw how high we could get our bangs. Oh, yeah. And the perm and the guys with the mullets, and then they'd perm the back. Y'all remember that? Okay, yeah. I'm reminiscing here, okay? I've just got excited over that lipstick, y'all, and I started thinking about my high school days. But y'all, back in those days, in the 80s, it was all about seeing how many colors of eyeshadow you could get on your eyes. Smoky didn't have nothing on us. The smoky look, we were trying to see how many colors we could get on our eyes. And the longest eyeshadow, eyelashes, of course that's still a thing. And then where exactly to put your blush. And, oh yeah, all that caked on liquid makeup and powder. Let me tell y'all something. My makeup habits started changing when kids came along, okay? You're a rushed mother and stuff like that. And you don't have time to sit down and do all that makeup prep like you did before you had kids to impress your husband. Now you're good to just slap on some lipstick or lip gloss and throw your hat up in a messy bun or a baseball hat and get out the door. But when I do take my time, it's less and less. Y'all, I don't like liquid foundations anymore. I feel like somebody has smeared frosting on my face. I don't like it anymore. I don't like the powder. Unless I have just like shiny spots, I will only use, like powder. Yeah. I don't like that feel anymore. And the older you get, your hormones change, and when you sweat, it's just gonna run everywhere. If you sweat, some people don't have that problem, okay? No, okay? So, now, that 4-5 color look, is out, okay? So, I just do like 2 colors on my eye. Very simple, okay? Little eyeliner up here, little eyeliner down there, mascara, and lip gloss, y'all. Lipstick. I'm good to go. I don't have to use blush because, look, even in this light, my cheeks are red. So I don't have to use blush anymore. Now, like during the winter time, when your skin gets a little paler and I haven't been out in the sun, yeah, I might need just a little bit, but oh yeah, no, it only takes just a little bit. But now if I'm already blushing due to menopause or a hot flash, it's like my cheeks look like Rudolph's nose, okay? So, over the years, I have just cut down and cut down and cut down. As far as, like, what's your cleanser? What toner do you use? What moisturizer do you... Y'all, I used to do all that. I used to buy the toner, the Astringent, the cleanser, moisturizers. I used to put all that on my face. Not anymore. Let me tell y'all what I do. Soap and water. Nothing beats soap and water. Getting your face clean, okay? Do it squeaky clean, okay? Minimal makeup for me because, like I said, I'm already look like Rudolph's nose, okay? And then, y'all, my moisturizer, baby lotion. When we had granddaughters, I'm like, there's that baby smell again. I missed it from my boys, and I'm like smelling their little heads and their little feet. I'm like, I love that baby lotion smell again. So I just started using it as a moisturizer. Go figure. Soap and water, baby lotion, and minimal makeup. Y'all, that is my makeup routine. I don't have one, okay? Minimal makeup, I don't have one. That's all. And I've had ladies like, can you tell me? I just told you. See? And if I did a makeup tutorial, like I said, it wouldn't last but 2 minutes, okay? Now, one thing I have done over the years, I have never failed to do. Every night, I wash my makeup off. Well, when I wear makeup, okay? If I don't wear makeup that day, I ain't got to worry about washing it off, okay? Anytime I wear makeup, before I go to bed, I got to wash my makeup off. I do not sleep with makeup on. Mascara gets caked up on your eyes in the middle of the night. I cannot sleep with makeup on my face. Y'all, the night me and my husband got married, I'm like, he's already in the bed, and I'm like, I gotta go wash my makeup off, brush my teeth, get myself ready for bed. Y'all, I didn't even hold up on my self-care on our honeymoon. Okay, so I have never failed to wash my makeup off at night. And y'all, I think a lot of these products that are coming out are aging us a little more than what naturally we're supposed to be aging. I don't put all that stuff on my face anymore. My mother used to work at Walgreens, and she was in the cosmetic department. And, she knew all about the new fangles, new fashions. They would send her to a school, new products coming in to learn about those products so she could sell them better. And when she quit working at Walgreens, she was like, why do I put all this stuff on my face? I'm like, because you had to sell it. It makes sense. And so it's like she doesn't even worry about, all this stuff anymore. And actually her skin has looked better. Some things, all these chemicals and stuff that they're putting in our shampoos, our conditioners, our soaps, our deodorants, our makeups, I feel like sometimes, y'all, they're aging us more than what Mother Nature is. That's just my honest opinion. Y'all, I know there's people out there that have to sell products, and you make products, and you have your own businesses, things like that. And there are companies that have come out with, no products tested on animals, better skin, no chemicals in their makeups. Thank you. Okay, I'm not talking about those. But anyway, I'm chasing a rabbit. But yeah, I quit doing all that stuff a long time ago. And and I've seen a difference in my mother's skin too. So she's just kind of like going all natural, okay? So, but y'all, I just had to tell y'all that about that lipstick. I'm so excited. I just threw that in there for free, y'all. I just enjoy chit-chatting with y'all. So anyway, y'all check into motel cooking, hotel cooking, hacks, videos, books, microwave cooking, dorm room cooking. Do that, y'all. You can fix anything. I have been eating some hot chips. I am fixing to go fill my Pioneer Woman mug up right there. Oh, y'all, I'm in the TV. I've got it mirrored. I'm fixing to go fill up my mug with some ice, chug me some sweet tea down, and get this spicy Doritos out of my mouth. But I just thought y'all might want to see that, and some little hacks that you can do with your coffee pot or your microwave, and make you some good old ice sweet tea, okay? So I hope y'all enjoy this, and we'll see you in the next one.